He said, are we allowed to pray for the non-believer for guidance and forgiveness from God? And specifically there is a verse from in the Holy Quran that says that you cannot guide the people whom you love, but God will like whoever he likes.
There is no contradiction in these two things at all. Because when you pray for others, guidance, who would make the decision to guide them? Allah. So everything depends on Allah's will. You wish all of them to become Muslims, but it's not possible because you don't know their inside happenings, their inside twists, their crimes, their sins, etc. So Allah knows best who is to be guided and who is not to be guided. And as such, He will listen to your prayer when He deems it fit for acceptance. So there is no contradiction in these two things.